Hey guys, I'm back again with another information video of how to promote your affiliate link. If you're not building an email list, you're leaving money on the table. Stick around, and I'll teach you how to create a profitable email list. This method has been tried, tested, and proven by expertise affiliate marketers, way before I even started this YouTube channel today. I've got something extra special to share, especially for all you beginners out there. Because this method combined with AI or artificial intelligence, so this method can save your time. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to create an email marketing campaign. This AI campaign not only create your email newsletter, but they also generate copywriting letters, landing page, email autoresponder, and email automation. But before we start, show some love for this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And lastly, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've come across this method before and if you're ready to take some action. The first step is to join an affiliate network and find the product you want to promote. There are numerous affiliate networks out there, each with its own set of benefits. One of the affiliate networks I highly recommend is ClickBank. ClickBank stands out because it offers a vast library of products spanning various categories, including high-ticket items. However, here's a crucial point to note. ClickBank may not be available in every country. Now, let's say you don't have access to sign up on ClickBank. No worries. There are alternative affiliate networks like Javizu, More Niche, Warrior Plus, and Digistore24. Each of these networks offers its own unique set of products and opportunities for affiliate marketers. And guess what? You're not limited to affiliate networks alone. Many independent affiliate programs are available as well. Just look for sections like partners or affiliate programs. They are excellent opportunities to explore. Once you've successfully signed up with an affiliate network or program, you'll gain access to a wide range of categories and niches. For our demonstration today, we'll delve into the health category. With a gravity score well over 100, you can see the potential for success. We'll be promoting Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. So, there you have it, the first step, finding the right affiliate network and product to promote. Don't forget to get your affiliate link. The email marketing campaign I use is from GetResponse. They have an AI affiliate marketing campaign feature that allows you to create automation email marketing with ease. Step 1. Sign in and set up your account. The first step is to sign in to GetResponse. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by providing some basic business information. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which is your command center for managing your email marketing campaigns. Step 2. Create contact list. Go to dashboard, then create new contact list, then you'll be directing through contact list management page. And from there you just simply choose create list, enter your list name then create. Moving on, go back to the dashboard. Step 3. Create campaign. To create an effective email marketing campaign, you often start by capturing leads with a landing page. In GetResponse, click on campaign in the dashboard. Now you have to answer step by step all of the process. Give it a name for this campaign, diet. You can choose whatever name you want. And after that, connect your campaign through the contact list. Here my name contact list I want to connect is Diet Ikaria Juice, then click next step. In the next step you have to give an information or prompt to AI what specific product you want to generate. This can help AI tailor your newsletter, landing page, and email automation system from your preference. For this question, what are your product or service highlights? You can describe your mission, product details, solutions, etc. Fill all the blank. Then click next step. Now, in the last step, they want to know what design you like from color palette you'd like for text, background, and button. Just choose bright palette, and if you already have a logo, just upload it. But in today, I skip it. Then click generate. Automatically this AI generating your landing page, welcome email, and newsletter. Step 4. Edit and publish your landing page, email autoresponder, and newsletter. Now, you'll enter the landing page editor. Here, you can make changes to the template to align it with your campaign. Before publishing your landing page, it's essential to review it to see how it looks. You can resize and reposition elements on the page to your liking. If you want to change the text, simply just click on the text elements and replace them with your own text. Customize headings, subheadings, and any other text to convey your message effectively. You can also replace the template images with your own image. To do this, click on the image you want to change, then click Replace. You can upload an image from your computer or provide a URL to an online image. Make it clear and concise, with a strong call to action. After customizing your landing page, click Continue in the right corner above. You'll be prompted to set page details. If done, then click Continue again. Choose a name and domain of your landing page. For the name of landing page, I make it same as product name at Korea Lean Belly Juice, then publish. Now your landing page has been published. You can copy the link and share it. Next is autoresponder. Go to the Edit Design. When you enter the autoresponder setting, you'll be prompted to set autoresponder details, including a title, contact list, subject line, and message design. I want to review first the message before published it. In the editor page, don't forget to insert your affiliate link. I put it in Call to Action button. Just click the button, then insert your link in the URL tab. Do the same thing with email newsletter. Even thought they generated by AI, you still have to look back the preview of these three things and insert your affiliate link to earn commission. With all the settings in place, you're ready to publish your automation. Click the Continue button, and your landing page, autoresponder, and newsletter will go live. You'll receive a link to share with your subscribers or customers. That's it. You've successfully created a landing page using GetResponse. This landing page can help you capture leads for your email marketing campaigns, enabling you to build and engage your email list. GetResponse offers a range of tools and features for email marketing, so explore all the options available to grow your business effectively. Remember that you can use GetResponse for a 30-day free trial before deciding to upgrade to a paid plan. Link registration in my description box. After you create the email automation, the next step is share your landing page to social media. In this case, I'm going to show you two different methods to promote affiliate links effectively within Facebook groups. These methods are both free and can get you started right away. Step 5. Share your landing page link. Now, it's time to find Facebook groups related to your chosen niche. Use the Facebook search bar to enter keywords related to your product. For example, if you're promoting a Korea Lean Belly Juice, search for terms like weight loss, diet, healthy living, and so on. Engage with group members. In these groups, you can follow one of two methods to promote your landing page. Method 1. Direct messaging. Click on the profiles of group members who seem active and interested in the niche. Send them a friendly message, mentioning that you've noticed their interest in weight loss or a related topic. Share a personal success story, such as how you've lost weight using the product you're promoting. Offer to share the link with them if they're interested. Remember to keep your approach genuine and helpful rather than pushy or spammy. Method 2. Posting in groups. Some groups allow members to make posts. If this option is available, craft a non-spammy post mentioning that you have a weight loss program based on juice. Invite interested members to message you directly for the link. Avoid including the affiliate link directly in your post, as it might get removed. Final tips *. Choose affordable affiliate products that are likely to result in impulse purchases. Avoid high-priced items, as price can be a significant factor in a Facebook user's decision to buy. Engage with multiple group members simultaneously, but always prioritize providing value and answering their questions. By using these strategies, you can effectively promote affiliate products within Facebook groups, potentially earning commissions by helping people solve their problems or meet their needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.